How can you say, but know what I'm feeling, but know what I'm feeling, but you don't feel nothing, but time isn't healing, but time is revealing, but how are you feeling, but you don't feel nothing. Just like I expected.
Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you this unit by Ashimary Hair. I'm excited to unbox the goodies that I got for you guys. So first, they gave me this detangling brush. They also then gave me a fine tooth comb brush, which is really cool that they gave me both. And then they also gave me wig caps and a brush for your edges, as well as an elastic band if you are going to be adhering this wig to your head. I will not, but then they also gave me a razor, which is great. I love this for brows. And then they also gave me a pair of lashes. So the unit itself came in this protective bag. It is a 10-inch ombre bob. Guys, look at the color. Look at that color. This is the second wig that I've gotten from Ashimary Hair. The first one was also a blonde unit. It was more of like a honey blonde, and it was also beautifully colored. They are so good at pre-making closure wigs that have color. So this is how the wig looks. It is a closure wig, like I said. So you've got some hooks in the back, you've got some clips, adjustable clips, and then this is how the color job is done, guys. It is stunning. It is so well done. It is the perfect ombre. So I'm going to take a scissor and I'm going to cut off any excess lace. The lace at the top I cut in a zigzag motion just so it looks a bit more natural. And then I'm going to take some foundation and put that on the lace so that it can match my skin. So guys, this unit is perfect for spring. Perfect for spring. I am so glad that I got this unit because not only is it easy to apply, but that color, I can't get enough of that color. So this is the 10-inch. There is a variety of lengths for you to choose from. I will have all of the lengths and I'll have all of the links that you need in the description box. But like I said, the first time I ever tried Ashimary Hair, I got like a closure wig. It was also a closure, and it was like a 26-inch honey blonde unit. I also did not have to do anything to that wig. I didn't have to touch that wig. And one thing about me, I love color, but I don't like having to do it myself. I don't like having to bleach my own hair. I just don't think that, especially when it comes to this particular wig, I don't think I would have been able to achieve this beautiful like ombre, like natural in the front, and then like at the back it's got this beautiful ash blonde. Like I don't think I would have been able to do that. I don't have the skill for that. But I think that this is such a beautiful color for spring. A bob, a closure. As soon as it gets hot outside, I am going to be gravitating towards this wig more and more and more. I've rocked it a couple of times, like this on this day. I wore it to even take pictures. I've got a picture on Instagram where I'm wearing this wig. Guys, I can't get over the actual color. I think for me, the color and the job is fantastic. So if you're looking for a colored wig, right, but you want it to be very low maintenance, I think Ashimary Hair is the perfect place. Like I said, I did try a wig from them before, and I do think that the quality, I love the quality. The hair does not look or feel dehydrated. It doesn't give it has been bleached. So it is still very healthy, shiny hair, even though it has been processed, even though it has been bleached and all of the color has been stripped off of the actual hair because of the fact that it is blonde. So if you're looking for that, guys, I really recommend. I will have all of the details down in the description box. I think that it is a great investment for the warmer weather. I think that lighter colors are just so much better for spring and summer. And I think this is one of my first, yes, this is kind of my first recommendation for the summer months. And this is how she ended up looking. Look at how that blonde peeks through the back. Okay, look at that. I'm in love. I'm in love. Simply put, I am in love. It is a beautiful, beautiful, stunning job. Shout out to Ashimary Hair for this, because the girls are going to be eating this one up this summer, especially because of how throw on and go it is. Okay, look at that ash blonde. Are you kidding me? So yeah, I will have all of the details down in the description box, guys. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, let me know. Let me know which other styles for summer you are looking to try. Are you looking straight? Are you looking body wave? Are you looking water wave? Let me know in the comment section, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, guys.